Let us now meet the starters for both teams. First, for the Bureau of Fire Protection Lady Firefighters. Let's start with the middle blocker, number 3, Fire Officer 1, Chris Madalugdog. Outside hitter, number 9, Fire Officer 1, Jen Sumalinog. Opposite hitter, their team captain at number 11, Chief Inspector Marky Marcaida. Setter, number 12, Fire Officer 1, Jaja Kainlet. Outside hitter, number 15, Fire Officer 1, V. Proverosa. Middlebacker, number 18, Fire Officer 1, Fanny Adolfo. Starting libero at number 20, Fire Officer 1, Box Bokaya. Head coach of the Lady Firefighters, Fire Officer 3, Franz Bautista. Calling on our judiciary justice servers. Let's start with our outside hitter, number 2, Aleli Boras. Another outside hitter, number 5, Jam Angeles. Milwaukee, number 6, Lerma Tubog. Setter, number 10, Dada Yupoko. Milwaukee, number 11, Arnie Pesebre. Opposite hitter, number 15, Jan Burrell. Starting libero at number 9, Sheena Castillo. Coaching the Justice Servers for this match, Mitch Alcancia. It's the Lady Firefighters versus the Justice Servers. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Win and win, win in sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
And we are just about ready to get underway with the second of 3 matches scheduled here today. It's the BFP. There they are, the starting lineups on both your picture. The Judiciary at si Lerma Tubog. Again, it was a pleasure to know her journey, her story. O, sipin mo, no? And ako, malapit na yan. Abogado na yan.
Oo. Pagdasal natin.
Alam mo, ang Judiciary, yan ang Supreme Court of the Philippines. At ang ganda rin na samahan ng grupong yan.
Oo.
Nililinaw kung sino ang kapitana sa mga players sa floor.
Team captain nila, si Pesebre. Kanina, di ba tinanong natin, itatry mo ba ulit mag-bar? Ang sabi niya, sir, volleyball muna.
Okay. Alam mo kasi yung bar is such a challenging exam. I think, if I'm not mistaken, at least 4 days yata yan. Exam na yan eh. So anyway, volleyball, 5 sets or less. Let's see how this cookie crumbles. We are underway. The BFP just playing so well of late. Pesebre will make it difficult for them, and that shot is long. First point belongs to the BFP.
Ang ganda ng setup ngayon ng Judiciary because their setter, she's not the normal setter. Itong si Dada Yuboko.
Yeah, hindi siya yung regular setter nila. No? In the meantime, Pesebre slaps it over. Here comes a set. Pesebre again tries and scores, and the Judiciary is on the board.
Yeah, not much power in that hit, but she went over the blockers. Kasi kung kailan pababa na yung blocker, kita mo 3 yung nag-block sa kanya. So high respect for her. And why not? Siya nga yung highest scorer noong season 1 overall. Proferosa.
Ala, lusot!
Again, ito kasing si Yuboko at si Pesebre, matagal na silang magkakilala eh. They weren't in the same team pag naglalaro sila sa mga liga-liga. Pero parati silang magkalaban. Kaya magkakilala sila. So alam na nila kahit paano yung galaw ng isa't isa.
Tingnan natin kung magkaka-epekto yan dito sa larong ito. Nice reach that time, but kept in play. Pesebre will dig it over. Here comes the set. Mababa. Ginawa na lang ng paraan. Boras is there. Hindi tumawid.
Yeah. So, Mitch Alcancia is the coach right now.
Wala yung regular coach nila, no?
Oo, wala pa. Baka late lang. So, we'll see later.
BFP will serve. This is Madulugdog. Actually, they're not starting with the regular players.
Yes, yes. This is, but you know, even if this is not the first 6 of BFP, malakas din to eh.
And like Profe Rosa rarely starts, no? Let's see, they want to give everybody a chance to play, actually. In the meantime, the serve is long and it's read well by the end line and the back row players.
Oh, si Madalugdog, good eye there. Sinundan niya yung bola.
Yeah, but it landed inside. 4-2 ang bilang. Judiciary with the early lead.
Kasi pag yung bola kisses the line, kahit na konti lang, pasok yun eh.
Yeah. Jennifer Verhel bungles and messes up her second try at serving. And we will now go with Ivy Proferosa. Ivy serve lands in cleanly, but it is mishandled first by Amelia Angeles.
You know, the judiciary, they really have to concentrate sa strength ng BFP because services, aces, one of their strengths yan eh.
And you know, when you're up against a team that is just playing so well of late, they didn't start the season well. They started getting going. I think the change in the coach also helped them as well. In the meantime, that will crawl in and they get a break.
Medyo natawa doon si Tubog, si Lerma, but okay lang, basta makapuntos. There goes that hit.
And she is with she's an information officer sa Supreme Court, rising from the ranks of security muna.
Yes.
Alam mo, pagka nag-qualify ka sa different positions sa gobyerno, it happens. Saka yung sweldo mo, depende sa position mo. Ako, I taught at UP so alam ko yung tuwing taas mo ng position, ito yung sweldo mo. Saka kuminsan, may biglang increase out of nowhere.
Mataas ba sweldo sa UP?
Hindi Hindi In the meantime,
alam mo ang judiciary, ano sila, naririnig mo nagsasalita sila inside the court. So, that's a good sign. Maingay sila.
Wala yata si attorney, yung kanilang leader, Samantala.
Inting.
Oo. Alamin mo mamaya bakit wala si attorney Inting. Alam mo naman yan ang pampaligaya ng laro ng judiciary. Siya yung laging huling nagsasalita pagka timeout. There's Boras, who has a mean spike when she gets around, but Tubog landed up short. We're tied at 7. Alam mo, si Tubog, si Alcancia, they are coached, as Tubog indicated earlier. So, nag-coach siya sa mga schools. Uy, smart ball! That's a well-done play!
Yeah, you know, this is a good decision na si Yuboko ang ginawang setter. Kasi matapang si Yuboko, lalo na sa mga on-two plays.
He doesn't usually start now, but Ira is with us. Ira, go ahead, please.
I'll get you guys a report later on about Attorney Tally Inting. Pero punta muna tayo dito sa BFP Lady Firefighters na sabi nyo nga kanina, nag-iinit ngayon dito sa UVL. And the reason behind that is because of every tough experience that the BFP has been through. Nakausap ko nga kanina itong si Gang Abellana and sinabi niya sa akin that this is the very same team that competed in their MUP o yung military uniform personnel na tinatawag nila. Ito yung institution leagues na sinasalihan ng BFP. Ang sabi sa akin ni Gang Abellana, mas mahina pa daw yung BFP sa mga kulelat na teams dyan sa MUP. Yan talaga yung term na sinabi sa akin ni Gang Abellana. That's why they're very emotional right now, right after winning against the AFP and the PNP. Nag-iyakan talaga lahat itong BFP from the coaching staff up to the players dahil hindi nila akalain na makakarating sila sa ganitong sitwasyon here in the UVL. Sir Seven, Chiki?
Very insightful report from Ira Pablo.
You know, sabi nga ni Coach France, yung mga coaches daw, they really just boost the morale of the players, but they know na meron silang kakayanan. Hindi lang nila ma-put together as a team. And now, ayan, because of the coaches, they're able to work as a team.
Excuse me, 10-9 is the count. The judiciary is ahead by 1. Yuboko serve. Maganda nga ang communication ng judiciary. Boras slaps it. Long, however. Alam mo si Boras may palo ito kaso kuminsan sampal ang palo niya, bukas na bukas yung kamay niya eh. Hindi niya maipitik ng maayos eh.
Wrist action lang ang kulang eh.
Nakakapagod kasi mag-practice ng wrist action sa volleyball eh. Boras punches it over. Kept in play. Here's Kainglet with the set. Here's Pesebre. They will attack. The set. It's inside.
Nicely done by Proferosa. Pero she signaled to herself, nako, dapat ilagay ko sa gitna. Because that was a good angle though, zone 5.
Nahanapan niya ng butas eh.
Oo.
Here's Jennifer Sumalinog. Boras will fire. Gets it off the hands. Kainglet. That'll work that time for Proferosa.
And you see what Proferosa did, no? Kanina, sinabi niya sa sarili niya, kailangan mas gitna. And look at that hit. Talagang she was able to deliver it sa gitna, zone 6.
Exactly. And Proferosa and the BFP have a 2-point lead against the judiciary here in the opener. Pesebre, Yuboko, Tubog. They will recalibrate. Boras gets a set. Yes, gets it to bite.
Yeah, good, smart move there by Boras. She went for the smaller blocker na si Kainglet. That's why she was able to put the ball in. There's that set from Tubog. Ayun, ang target niya, diba, si Kainglet.
Yeah, and there was space for it to drop cleanly and not be returned by the BFP. Here's an on-2 action. Yuboko, Pesebre, yes, gets it to go. 2 straight points by the judiciary.
So again, pinag-initan nila yung smaller blocker. Here goes the attack of Pesebre. Again, there's also a big gap in between the blockers and the net. So kailangan mas ano pa sila, nakapayong.
Tied at 12. Good attack by Proferosa and the libero unable to hoist it high. Sheena Castillo dropping to the deck.
Yeah, you could see no yung confidence level ni Kainglet kay Proferosa.
So Janice Kainglet will be serving. Pesebre, Yuboko, Boras. Kainglet. Tubog. Boras cuts it. Yes!
Ang ganda ng communication ni Yuboko at saka ni Boras. That's a good underhand set to Boras. And makita mo naman yung position ng hand ni Boras. Hindi niya papaluin yun ng malakas eh.
Boras so committed to her work as well as to the volleyball team. There was one play date. She had to come down all the way from Baguio because some of the justices were having a conference there.
Wow.
But she decided to come down.
Amazing commitment to volleyball.
14-13. Isipin mo, you'll take. Buti na lang ang trips to Baguio ngayon, mas maiksi kaysa dung araw, ano?
Tama.
The judiciary is in the lead by 1, giving BFP something to think about here. Tubog almost mishandled that. Too hot to handle. Pesebre knocks it in.
Again, the communication between Yuboko and Pesebre is there. May kita mo eh. Ayan, no? Alam din ni Yuboko na kung malayo ang bola, paano niya ibibigay kay Pesebre ng maganda.
Boras, malakas.
Oo.
Malakas na babae nito. Diba? Diba? Di mo, hindi naman siya ganun ka-muscular.
Yung build
diba?
niya.
Maraming lakas niya. Maraming taong ganun. 1 point lead by the judiciary. Unless keeping... Pesebre ends up short. And that 2-point lead of the judiciary evaporates.
natin. Huwag tayong matakot. Ha? Pag binigyan ka, kaya mo pa. Ha? Alanganin, dragol lang. Ang butas nila sa gitna. Ha? Gitna lang. Okay? Less error tayo. Ha? O tara, kunin natin to. Let's go. Ingay pa tayo sa loob, ha?
Kuha lang ng bola, basta may taas, may hahabol naman.
Huwag tayo, nagsasayang tayo eh. Iwasan natin, less error tayo. Hey, Justice!
Those are good reminders from Coach Mitch Alcanza, no? Kailangan nga talaga fearless attacks. Fearless attacks kasi it also builds your momentum eh. Kung pumasok yung bola, tapos kung ikaw yung teammate, nakita mo yung teammate mo, fearless yung attack niya, ikaw rin gaganahan kang umatake ng bonggang-bonggang, courageously. Tapos sinabi rin ni Mitch, no, ni Coach Mitch, na dapat sa Zone 6, dahil yun ang butas ng BFP, kailangan din sila mag-ingay kasi yung ingay will create the energy level. Usually, yung pinakamaingay dapat sa team, yung setter eh.
Alam mo, kung minsan pag tumatahimik, di ba? Nakita na natin sa lahat ng ligang kinover na pag tumahimik, may problema eh. No?
Kaya kailangan yung setter nyo, since siya yung playmaker, siya yung pinakamaingay.
Mag-iisip tuloy yung coach na sabihin, magkakagalit kayo, do you not like each other? Ano nangyari sa inyo? Pesebre, what playing? Attempting to play.
There's a touch.
Okay, touch. Ira, meron ka bang report? Nakabukas ang ilaw sa'yo. Ready ka na? Sige, Ira.
Alright, let's go. Duty calls para dito kay Attorney Tally Inting. This is the first time that she will be missing action dahil may special meeting daw ang mga abogado ng Supreme Court. That's why the Judiciary Justice Servers will try to make sure na gandahan nila yung ipapakita nila dahil for sure nanonood daw yan si Attorney Tally Inting from the office. Habang si Coach Dino naman is still making his way dito sa Paco Arena dahil may exam daw yung kanyang anak. So in the meantime, Coach Mitch Alcanza will be taking over dahil alam naman natin that she is very capable of handling the team, having been coaching for several schools already. Balik sa inyo.
Yes.
Pabihira naman. Ang dami-dami abogado dyan sa Supreme Court. Si Atty. Inting, malungkot kami tuloy rito. Walang cheerleader ang judiciary. Pero importante yan. Alam mo, duty calls. Alam mo naman si attorney. Napaka-masigasig na member ng judiciary. In the meantime, dikit po ito 17-16. Pesebre is trying to hit long actually. And that's outside.
Malamig pa si Abellana. Kakapasok lang niya. Si Abellana has been the player of the game several times already for PFP. So she's one to watch out for.
In the meantime, we have Diaz will come in for Praferosa in the lineup of the BFP.
Unti-unti nang pinapasok ni Coach Franz yung kanyang first six.
Yeah. And we've got Pesebre serving.
Again, medyo malamig pa, pati si Diaz.
And Larny Pesebre gives them a 2-point lead. Boy, you can tell this is going to be a long one. You can tell. Merong ganun eh. Umpisa pa lang.
Alam mo na.
Hindi tumawid ang bola. Itinaas. Here comes the set. Kainglet will go to Adolfo. Well returned by Boras. Captain play. Rejected. Well done.
Adolfo, very aggressive at the net. Binabantayan talaga niya kung sino yung papalo next. Look at that. Kakatira lang niya but she didn't run or go far from the net. Talagang watching the ball.
Good point. She stayed right there. She knew exactly what she wanted to do. The 2-point lead for the judiciary is there though. On 2 we go. Yuboka successful earlier, not this time. Boras. Lubo! Derma was short. Tubog knew it.
I knew si Tubog wanted to put that ball right over the blocker. Kasi walang butas eh. Walang coverage. Kaya lang short yung kanyang tulak.
So it's a 1-point affair here in the first. Close and tight. Abellana and her serve. Problematic, sabi na.
Oo. Kasi pag hindi nag-mine or hindi tumawag ng help ang second ball, ang setter, hindi titirahin yan or hindi kukunin yan ng kahit sino.
It's a natural volleyball thing.
Oo.
Kaya may alertness na kailangan lahat eh, actually. Pesebre. Kainglet the setter. Oh, Boras playing so well. On to. Rejected. A lot of patty cake playing at the net. Good attack. Pesebre. Boras mishandled that. Free ball forthcoming. Pesebre whips it over to the other side. And that worked. Sumalino gets it to bite and the BFP overtakes the judiciary by 1.
Medyo malayo-layo yung tinakbo niya to get that ball. And it was a little awkward of a hit there, but she managed to create a point from that push.
You know, the judiciary is on a 6-game winning run. They're hoping that they can sustain it, but that serve lands very short. We're tied at 20. Angeles will be serving. Punches it over. Kainglet sets. That is handled well. Short. Boras whips it up with one hand. Tubog pushes it over. Abiliana was there. Well done. Binaon.
You know, si Adolfo, pinapakita niya sa atin, iba-iba yung tirang pwede niyang i-create for her team. This one is a push. Look at that. There's only one blocker. She knew where she wanted to put that ball.
And Joanna Bijek will see action. Wait. The second referee.
Wala pang whistle.
At saka yung second referee. The issue, sino ang captain? Always a concern of the referees because only the captain can speak with the referees.
Yes. Correct. Si Adolfo medyo excited.
Buti sa volleyball, hindi pa na yung rule na yan. Pag hindi pa na-serve, baka bigyan ng point. Buti na lang hindi pa. Okay lang eh. Kasi maraming factors eh. Gaya nito, may inaayos na gusot ng konti ang ating second referee. Sabi ng first referee, sige, mandar na ang traffic. Tinaas. That'll work that time for Joanna Bijek, but it's still very much in play. Kainglet pushes it over. Boras high. She hit it high.
Yeah, and she was a little under the ball when she hit it.
Here's Vergel. There's a battle at the net. Abiliana. Yuboko. The feed to Bijek. That's outside.
Yung shoulders kasi ni Sumalinog was facing towards the right side. So where your shoulders are facing, normally, dun sumusunod yung bola mo.
Yes, most of the time. 1 point lead by the BFP. That was worked several times. Nice drop by Bijek. Oh, well done by Castillo. Mainit yun.
Nicely done there. Iniba niya yung tira niya. Kanina cross court was wide, so she went for a down the line. And she saw that there was, the defense may have been there, pero she could challenge.
We've got a timeout. Coach, yung man nagko-coach dyan?
Si Coach Mitch.
Alcancia.
Pwede mas mabilisan natin yung tempo natin. Hindi nyo laro yan. Kaya nga, ginagawa nyo sa loob. Hindi nyo laro yan. Sige. Diretso tayo. Tara. Sorry po.
Maging compose lang kayo ha, tapos receive lang. Oo. Mag-receive muna kayo. Mag-receive muna kayo. Tapos kung sino mapunta ang bola, paluin na paluin.
Huwag makikipagsabayan sa galaw ng kabila. Okay? Bilisan natin. Tapusin na yan. Let's go, boys!
Okay. Very simple. Receive.
Tsaka
napaka-selfish ho ng laro na ito eh. It's all received.
Mine dapat, diba?
Kasi everything starts with a very good first ball to be fed to your setter.
Pero you know, another good reminder is huwag kang sasabay sa tempo ng kalaban mo. Kasi alam mo naman yung tempo mo eh. So stick to your own speed. Kasi pag sumabay ka sa kalaban mo, bababa yung level mo.
Good cut. Abiliana, however, wise to it. Madulugdog battling. She battles some more. Boras in a joust there. Castillo. Back now to Boras. Kulang ng baon. Madulugdog gets it on the end line.
You know, I like it when Madulugdog hits the ball kasi parati siyang merong parang extra movement after na nakakatuwa. Very entertaining.
Pati siya nagugulat sa sarili niya. BFP is at set point here in the opener. That's long.
Good eye there by the judiciary. Nakita nila hindi pa bumababa yung bola when it crossed the net, so they let that ball go.
Tubog comes back in. Pulls out the jack. Tubog serve high. Kainglet with the set. Yuboko gets to it. Reverse rolls there. Madulugdog gets it to bite, and we are done with the first set.
You know, ang judiciary had a good energy level in the beginning. Ang BFP, although this wasn't the first six that we normally see, they were still a strong team.
Yes.
Pareho silang maganda yung energy level, kaya nga nag-22-25 yung itong first set na to. It's just that, you know, BFP wanted to finish this set, wanted to get this set, so they were a bit more aggressive when it came to the attacks.
And we'll set up everything for the second set. First set going the way of the BFP, trying to sustain their 6-game winning run, 25-22 here in the first. Score nang matapos ang ating first set. Dikit yan 25-22. And the score does not really tell you the whole story. But let's see if the numbers do.
Ito na. Again sa attacks. Attacks are the same at 11. Ang block, si Adolfo did a good job in the net, at the net rather. Aces, mas madami sa judiciary. Mas konti ang that's the story. Mas konti yung errors ng BFP. Akala ko mas madami silang attacks kanina kasi parang mas aggressive sila eh. Pero hindi pala yun ang nangyari. It was really the errors that mattered in that set. Dapat careful talaga eh. Huwag sasabit sa net, huwag magdo-double contact sa bola. Mga importante yun eh na pwedeng iwasan.
You know, in fact, the judiciary played quite well in that first set.
Yes.
And it's just that towards the end, when the crucial points mattered, they could not deliver towards the end. That's a miscuse. In the meantime, second set action just ready to unfold here.
You know, even the bench ng judiciary maingay eh. Malaking bagay yun kasi nakaka-up ng energy yun eh.
The regular setter of the BFP, that's Aizel Hosmilio, is on the floor for the first time. So they've really sent in a lot of their second stringers into the first set. The other libero, si Maya Magpantay, is there already on the floor. She's a bundle of energy. You'll enjoy her play. Here we go with the first serve of the second set. Pesebre makes them work. Yeah. Bentic is already on the floor as well. There she is with her first dig. Osmilio with the set. Diaz is already there. Pesebre pushes it backward. Magpantay is there. Diaz taps it cleanly and it's scored.
Ibang klase si Diaz. Tiningnan niya yung defense ng judiciary. Look at that. Yung approach niya is for a strong hit, but then she quickly saw that hole sa zone 3.
You're just joining us. First set going the way of BFP. Close and tight there. 25-22 was the count at the end of that first set. Judiciary trying to get a win here that'll kick up their chances in the team standings. Very significant given that the Comelec won earlier today against the Senate. Down and out, 2 straight points by the BFP.
Dito kasi unahan talaga dito mag-create ng momentum no? Kasi parehong gustong manalo.
Exactly. And if you're BFP, you want to take the fight out of judiciary early on here. That is well done by Pesebre against the 2 blockers.
Yeah, Pesebre going for the smaller blocker. She was able to put that ball in, through rather.
Mainly Boras with the serve. Diaz is there. They go back to her. She'll attack. Tubog. Angeles just missed the end line.
Pero you gotta agree with the setup of Yuboko kasi binibigyan niya ng chance yung iba, hindi lang puro si Pesebre.
Parang dinidistribute niya, hindi siya namomorsyento ng maaga pa. Trying to, as very often used the term, activate everybody. Oh, that drops in neatly.
And that's why kailangan talaga on defense ka muna before you position yourself for an attack.
So correct, so correct. Kasi kahit na nag-usap na kayo ng attack-attack, hindi wala pa sa inyong bola. We have number 14 coming in for the first time. That's John Recio for the judiciary. Osmelia serve just above the net. Blocked.
Then magaling ang BFP really at the net. The defense at the net. That's why the coverage of judiciary kailangan very fast sila.
Correct.
Mabilis magbasa.
At saka ang hilig ang BFP natututo ng mag-combination play.
Oo.
In the simplest form. Diaz wisely drops it there where nobody was home.
Yeah, itong si Diaz right now, ang tina-target niya yung mga butas sa harapan Para you don't exert so much effort compared to when you hit the ball hard.
Recio with a very brief stint on the floor. Angeles returns. The BFP pulls away early. 6-1 here as Osmelia will serve again. Yuboko sets up Pesebre. Kept in play. Boras, Yuboko, Pesebre. Nicely done.
You know, Pesebre takes advantage kung halimbawa isa lang ang blocker mo, makukuha niya, mapapasok niya yung bola.
And what else is new? Pesebre, the leading scorer with 10 points already. Nobody even close. This serve crawls over the net. Kept in play. Yuboko elevates it. Angeles couldn't decide on what to do with it. Diaz. Abellana is already there. The draw. Oh! Donut hole.
Osmelia, so smart. Look at this. Kala mo sa setup niya yung middle Tapos linagay niya on to zone 6.
And Osmelia did not start here today. Already with 3 points. And this is a service ace. And the problems of the judiciary get compounded. Timeout by the judiciary.
Di ba, babagsakan tayo ng bola, nagtitinginan tayo. Trabaho natin yung kunin Huwag tayo magtinginan. Lapitan natin yung bola, kunin natin.
Pwede kong iwan yung likod.
Ha?
Pwede kong iwan yung likod. Kukunin ko
Wala, hindi na naman tayo nag-uusap-usap. Paano iuusad yung score natin? Ha? Tara, tulong-tulong tayo sa loob. Kaya yan. Ang layo-layo pa niyan o bumibigay kagad tayo.
Pag nag-block si B, alam naman natin machi-check na yan. Ano tayo lang
Yung drop ball. Ha? O, tara,
naman
bawi.
yung kamay, di ba? Pag ang laki yung blocker eh, makikita natin yung kamay kung
Bawi tayo, ha? Mag-usap kayo sa loob. Nawawala yung usap natin sa loob eh. Mag-ingay tayo. Tara!
Justice! Servers! Guys, ayos tayo!
Lady Firefighters. So galing sa BFP Housing Unit, meron silang van na naghahatid sa kanila papunta sa ensayo. At napapansin talaga nitong si Coach Franz na medyo hirap daw gumalaw itong BFP tuwing nasa ensayo sila dahil nga sa sobrang init ng panahon. That's why come here in the venues dito sa Paco Arena. Pag may game, naka-aircon tayo dito, mas maginhawa daw yung mga players. So sabi ni Coach Franz, mas maganda pa daw yung pinapakita ng BFP tuwing mga games compared sa pinapakita nila tuwing ensayo. Balik sa inyo.
Alam mo, Ira, kung galing ka rin sa mga schools, ano? Wala ring aircon naman yung pinagpa-practicean eh, di ba?
Oo.
Karamihan. At most schools do not have air-conditioned facilities. Mahal yan eh. So, I understand, pag nandito sila, mas comfortable ang BFP.
Pero alam mo, pag galing ka sa mainit, tapos doon ka nagpa-practice, syempre mas mahirap yun. So pag pumunta ka sa malamig, mas comfortable, dala mo yung yung pinaghirapan mo. So mas maganda yung galaw mo.
Actually, nararamdaman ba yung takatak ng pawis na galing doon sa hindi aircon eh?
Oo.
Saka yung, di ba, karamihan dyan, simento, hindi naman
Oo.
flooring eh. Hindi naman lahat ng eskwelahan merong magandang flooring.
Oh, mas mahirap gumalaw eh, di ba? Pag mainit. Kasi it's like,
totoo yan.
hirap huminga.
Pero unusual kasi yung init natin yan eh, no?
Correct.
Eto, nagkakahiwalay-hiwalay ang judiciary at lamang na ng 6 ang kupunan ng BFP dito sa pangalawang yugto.
Na-mention din ni Coach Mitch na parang tumahimik nga naman ang
Oh,
judiciary sa
sobra.
court. So that's why she said nga, malayo pa yan.
Usap tayo, sabi niya. Good chase down by Diaz. Down the middle we go! And it's a hot delivery that time.
Yeah, Mamangon in the middle. Siya tsaka si Adolfo ang kailangan bantayan ng judiciary when they're in front because they are both very lethal.
Anjanette Mamangon already with 2 points. Here comes, Tony Diaz's serve doesn't go anywhere. It's 6 serving against 11 here. Let's go with Hamilia Angeles and her serve. Here's the serve of Jam. Too close to the net on the recovery there. Good stretch downstairs by Pesebre. Boras whips it against the double block. And that net has been the domain, the control area of the BFP.
And you know, that was possible because Abellana was able to block the first ball. Ayun. Kaya yung quick return na yun was, parang reaction ng judiciary but it was a perfect set para kay Mamangon.
Yuboko. And Lermatubo, very short. 7-point lead by the BFP.
So you could hear the cheerers of BFP on the side. Talagang, sila, very energetic.
Yuboko. Boras. One-handed set. And it's a double touch.
Yeah, did not go over the net.
Okay, Darlene Yuboko will serve. Good serve. Bentik wallops it in. Pesebre gets some help from the net. Into the long corner, but it's long, too long.
Yeah, that ball went long for Mamangon. Makita mo, no, dito sa BFP, distributed yung kanilang sets because wala pang nagdo-double digits. Ang highest sa kanila, 4. And that's Sumalinog, Adolfo, at Raferosa.
Yes. Oh, Bentic and her spike handled well. Daming hulog ginagawa nitong BFP. Oh. Boras. Diaz says, I got it. Long exchange. Somebody's bound to commit an error here.
Good up.
Bentic. Ah! No, hindi binigay ang check ball.
Na-check ba?
Hindi nga, akala ko may check eh.
Oo. You know, that was a good decision from Abellana. Titirahin niya sana yun eh. She was going to receive that ball pero nakita niya outside.
Yeah.
Inatras niya yung kamay niya.
Uh-oh. And now, alam mo, the judiciary is not playing badly. It's just that the other side is just playing so well.
Oo. Ano sila yung chemistry nila maganda inside
And
Whether...
they're exuding so much confidence. You can see it. Parang bawat galaw, alam ng bawat isa ko ano gagawin, no?
Yes, whether it's a full first six nila, full second six nila, or a combination of the first and second six.
But they lose a point there. And Tumog using the hands to get that point. They're still down by 7 nonetheless.
A little frustrated na si Lerma. Alam mo kasing she wants to do more than what she can give right now.
I can imagine.
May mga ganun talaga no, na days.
You want to do so much but the day isn't cooperating with you. Sometimes, kumisa, itulog mo na lang. But Tumog keeping it in play. Well tracked down by Castillo. Down the middle, there's confusion. Magpantay. Ha-ha! Lubog si Diaz. Naiwan sa ere.
Good play sana yun eh.
While we can now have a chance to go to Ira.
Our UVL Season 1 top scorer, Alarni Pesebre, played for Letran for 3 years at nakapagtapos siya sa kursong Business Administration. Right after college, she played for AFP for 2 years before getting married. So right after marriage, nagturo daw siya dyan sa St. Therese Cainta. She served as a PE teacher until she got a call from Coach Nes Pamilar para maglaro ng pros ulit para sa team ni Coach Nes. So 2016 yung huling liga na sinalihan itong si Alarni Pesebre before the UVL. But in the span of those 7 years, naglalaro daw siya sa mga liga-liga all over the Philippines. So tinatawagan siya sa mga regional areas to play for the volleyball leagues with a very good compensation fee. Kaya pagpasok niya dito sa UVL, ayan, siya agad ang ating top scorer. Balik sa inyo.
Yeah, alam mo, isa nating analyst, si Ivy Remulla would say that nakakalaro nga niya itong si Pesebre sa mga liga-liga eh. So, nice story. At least, ang gusto ko dyan, first part of the story, nakatapos siya. She went on to become a teacher. In the meantime, we have Pakure seeing action for the first time. Sabi ni Abellana, taas mo! Taas mo! Para makita nila
huwag ka munang pumasok.
Makita nila kung sinong sasab. Alam mo naman, napakahigpit ng mga referee ng volleyball. 17-10 ang ating bilang. Ganda ng servo. Hello. Lambot eh. Ayun, nagkagulo. Actually, kung minsan pag masyadong mataas, ang gagawin natin dito? Diba, ulitin niya yan, ha? Ulitin niya yan.
Mas mataas kaya, serve.
Tatama naman sa bubong. Point against them na yan. Slow down. Reach for by Angeles. At talo sa net ang judiciary.
Oo, kasi nga mas very well-trained, mas aggressive at the net itong BFP. Kaya yung coverage ang kailangan talagang pag-igtingin ng judiciary.
Kasi sa terms of haba, no? Ang haba ng patangkad talaga yung BFP. Oh, one-handed pick up that time.
Set.
Adolfo working hard. Pesebre whips it over. On 2.
Good pancake.
We've got a couple of great defensive plays so far in this game.
Yes.
And another long rally in play. Who will commit the error? Cabecera. Pesebrek taking the point. Tapos na-mention ni Ira, no? A name we have known through the years, si Coach Nes Pamilar, who had coached FEU, of course, and propelled them to a championship. Oh! Butas! Akala ko ikaw.
Oh, kasi pag gumalaw yung player sa harapan mo, hindi mo nakukunin yun eh. It's also like one of the rules in volleyball. Kaya pag gumalaw ka, kailangan i-commit mo na. Kunin mo na yung bola.
So, si Bentic sabi niya, ikaw yun eh.
Oh, kala ko kunin mo eh.
So, Mabangon trying to make up for that mistake. Boras has to pursue that. Cleanly hit. No problem that time. Mamangon with the delivery.
Ganda nung setup kay Mamangon. And yes, she was able to put that ball in. Nakabawi dun sa mistake earlier.
Tony Diaz will be serving. Six-point lead by the BFP, the Bureau of Fire Protection. Tubog outside on that attempt.
A little too strong there for Mamangon. Medyo may halong gigil na din dun eh. So you could see Mitchell Cancia, no? Ang sinasabi kung paano ididepensahan yung kanilang territory. Nice set.
Wisely played by Bentic. Boras. Down the middle we go with Mamangon. To the back row we go. Diaz was there. Bentic. Angeles says no way. Boras. Well done that time also. Bukaya is the other libero. And they hit out.
Again, no, sa mga long rallies like that, sino yung unang magkakamali?
Oh. It's never, most of 90% of the time, hindi offense eh. Kasi keyed na yung defense eh. So sino ang magkakamali? Walang problema yun. Pare-pareho yan sa Olympics, sa BNL, sa high school. In the meantime, Tubog gets it to bite and brings her team within 5.
Yeah, that's a good wrist away from Tubog. Look at that. Nicely done.
Yep, and Sumalinog returns after a stint in the first set, pulling out Bentic in the lineup of the BFP. 5-point lead by the BFP. Good serve.
Yeah.
Yes, red hot.
You know what that's called? Flean. It's flat and it's clean. Flean. Ayan, no? Hindi umiikot. It's flat.
Parang dead yung bola.
Oh, no? Dead yung bola.
Walang top spin.
Mabigat.
Here's the set. On 2, kept alive. Good job this time by Bukaya, who's playing the second libero role. Set up down the middle, Len Matubog. And again, another one of those long exchanges. Yuboko, Tubog, out. Alam mo sa long rallies. Huwag ka na umanggulo actually. Hit it hard na para magkamali yung kabila eh. And seeing action for the first time for the judiciary number 17. This is Catherine Dolorosa. Alam mo naman ang rule natin dito. Everyone plays. Angeles, Yuboko, Boras, very short.
And you also cannot be too careful when you attack. Kasi ano nasasayang yung skills mo, yung talents mo pag masyado kang careful.
You end up hesitating.
Oo, nag-hesitate ka.
And thinking too much perhaps.
Yes.
Yan, atake na. Bit late.
Yeah.
Back row at work. Dolorosa is there. Yuboko has to heave it over. Omelosa. Adolfo watching her work. Back row at work. Not clean. It will be an easy over here. Free ball in play. Here's the set by Yuboko, who loves doing this.
Yeah. You have to watch her. Even if she's not an attacker ngayon at setter siya, ano to fight. So pag nakita niyang may butas, kukunin na niya yun.
And she seems to remember when she is a front row player.
Oo.
Kasi if you're a back row and you do that, you can't do that.
Oh, may mga rules na gano'n.
Diba? Yung oddity of the rules. Eh.
Oo.
Atake sa gitna. Tinas ni Boras. Boras and company. Oh, that's well done by Pesebre.
Yes. Again, silang dalawa yung communication ni Pesebre tsaka ni Yuboko. Kita mo malayo si Yuboko sa sa net, but she knew the angle kung paano niya itataas yung bola para kay Pesebre.
Then Matubog takes a deep breath before serving now. Uh-oh, bungled by Bakure, who jumped. Ooh, is she okay?
Yes.
Ah, okay naman.
Oh, firefighter yan eh. So wala yan para kay Bokaya. Kayang-kaya.
Baka pati yung pader doon, kaya niyang wasakin yun. Nagka-clarify yung ating second referee ng posisyonan ng ating mga players. Trabaho niyan. Adolfo gently tapping it over with 2 hands. Boras does the same with 1 hand. Sumalinog. Bababa. Pero lumusot. Boras brings them to 20 and the judiciary still alive and kicking here. And the BFP is forced to call a timeout.
Pahabol pa kayo. Tapusin na. Huwag na kayong magpahabol. Mamaya, tsaka huwag mag-aalinlangan pag kukuha ng bola. Gising. Kailangan nyo ba ng gising-gising na gulay? Tulong-tulong tayo. Isang receive na maayos. Susme, bigyan mo na maayos yung set A spikers mo, ha? Sige. Galaw kayo sa loob. Galaw. Ang lungkot yung tingnan sa loob. Ay, ipagsabayan kayo sa kabila. Game, 5! Usap kayo sa loob, ha? Usap sa loob.
Ang hirap talaga mag-coach, pati yung happiness ng team problema mo.
Ako, gusto ko ng gising-gising. Masarap yun, ha?
Exactly. Teacher Gulay.
Yes!
Yung nung nag-guest ako sa show mo, naubos ko yung... Wala pang 3 days ubos.
Sarap, diba? Yes. Very nutritious, M2.
22-20 here. Tubog. Gitna. Diaz read it. Good decision to toss it over. Yuboko. Oh, well done. Pesebre brings them within 1.
You know, again, that angle of a hit dito, no, sa between zone 4 at saka 5. Ang hirap talaga niyan bantayan. Parehas sa zone 1, mahirap bantayan.
Pagka well done at lumusot, okay, kuminsan lalabas yan, di ba?
Oo.
Nasa sa tempo yan eh. So 1-point game dito sa second set. Abellana has been brought in and they need some firepower here. Oh, well nice dug dig. Up by Castillo. Castillo steady. Pesebre ties it up.
And you know, that was possible because of Castillo.
Yes.
Ang ganda ng kanyang digs. She kept the ball alive and enabled their attacker to score a point.
Bentic will return. And she'll pull out Jennifer Sumalino. Lerma Tubog and her serve. Diaz. Yes, well done. Adolfo brings back the lead to the BFP.
The blocker was there, but her ball went in between the hands of the blocker. Nahanapan niya yung gap. There's that setup by Josmilio, and there's that hit. There you go. Lumusot in between the arms.
And the judiciary calls a timeout.
Okay. Isa lang ha. Trinabaho natin umabol. Ngayon kapitan natin to, isa lang lamang nila. Isang magandang receive, isang magandang set, isang magandang palo. Kapitan natin, huwag tayo bumitaw. Atin to. Tiwala lang tayo sa sarili natin, sipagan natin sa loob. Okay? Lagyan natin ang sigla. Tara, let's go.
Kayang-kaya nyo sila.
Oo. Justice! Server! Inom muna ha.
Para kakainom lang.
Ay, sa likod ka pala. Resiban mo. Takot-takot.
Sige, I will.
Ano nangyayari sa'yo? Mga madali kasi sa'yo. Parang ang ginagawa niyo.
Teamwork. Let's go.
Pagalan yung pacing ng laro.
Game.
Alam mo, ang ganda nung sinabi ni Coach Mitch kailangan sure yung movements, huwag mag-aalangan inside the court. Tapos kailangan magtiwala sa sarili kasi ito yung time na nagsa-second guess ka kung titirahin mo ba ito ng malakas o hindi, baka magkamali ako. So kailangan tibay ng loob. Yun yung reminder ni Coach Mitch. At saka maganda rin yung sinabi ni Coach dito naman sa BFP na huwag magmadali sa reception because you can actually control the way that you receive the ball.
And a service ace to bring the BFP to set point here in the second.
Yes, Bentic, one of the talagang maaasahan mo sa services for BFP.
And serving for the set. Ooh, problematic, and it's dead in the water. 2 service aces. And it is now 25-22, same score as the first set. It's heartbreaking for the judiciary because they played well in the second set.
Oo, they had a higher energy level. Nag-usap sila in the beginning and that's why they were able to get the first few points. Ito naman sa BFP, their services at saka yung blocking nila, yun yung talagang main artillery.
Okay.
Kaya kailangan bantayan sila ng other teams when it comes to those skills.
2 set to love lead by the BFP against the judiciary. Third set coming your way shortly.
You're still watching the UNTV Volleyball League, and this is the match between the BFP Lady Firefighters and, of course, the Judiciary Justice Servers. Ito ho ang naging kwento dun sa second set that lasted for 29 minutes. Again, the attacks, halos walang difference, 1 point lang. Ang nagkaiba dyan is the service aces. Nanalo ang BFP because of the 2 services ni Bentic. Ang BFP continues to control their errors. Mas mataas ngayon compared to the first set. Pero they were moving more smoothly inside the court. Yung communication nila nandun. Bumaba yung energy level nila, pero it was still enough for them to take the second set. Ang Judiciary, what they have to do for this third set is really put the energy level up. Kailangan sure ang kanilang services because you know, sometimes kasi pag yung service hindi pumasok, nakaka-affect yun sa moral ng ibang players. Same goes na kapag ang service naman ay maganda yung pasok, naka-ace ka, ang laki din ng momentum boost nun para sa teammates mo. So the services have to improve and they also have to limit their errors.
Exactly, as we start the third set. First two sets going the way of the BFP in identical scores of 25-22, 25-22. Hindi masama ang laro ng Judiciary. It's just that the BFP has gotten the better of them. Service aces, as you said, and some sequences wherein talo sa palitan ang nangyayari dito in favor of the BFP. In the meantime, auspicious start by Tubog with the service ace. Madulugdog will so shocked that she got the point.
Alam mo, ang bilis nung push niya Pabalik pa lang sa pwesto si Tubog, napasok na niya yung bola. That's why, look at that. Hindi tuloy nakuha ni Tubog. Of course, I think that was already for their libero.
Which is the way to play it, ano? Kasi hindi pa assembled yung back row. Atakin mo na kagad.
Correct.
Tabla sa 1, 2-1 as the Judiciary takes an early lead. By the way, number 18, that is Jennifer Yabut seeing action for the first time for the Judiciary. Boras will serve. Ooh, Dalugdog with a mean hand. Pesebre. In between two players, and the BFP ties it up here in the third.
Kita mo yung top spin ni Prof. Rose. Top spin to the middle. Parati kasi pag linagay mo yung bola sa zone 6, naghihintayan kayo because everybody's on the lookout for zone 6.
And you see the hand creating the top spin there. We're tied at 2. Taas. Tatawid. Itinaas ulit. Battle at the net. Aray ko.
Nice. Stays alive.
Marcaida is on the floor for the first time for the BFP wearing number 11. And yung kanilang coach of the day is already on the floor for the Judiciary.
Siyang setter nila.
Alcancia. Dati nung first season, nagsasabi pa kami, Alcancia. Hindi. Alcancia po ang pangalan. Oy, 4. Alala ko yun. Tinanong ko na anong tamang pronunciation pa? Alcancia ba? Hindi, Alcancia po. 3-all. Magtipid tayong lahat. Tabla sa 3. Hala, sige. Kainglet. Pinalo, dinikdik. Marcaida says, wag ka nang babalik. Pinalis na kita.
Kasi kanina pa sinasabi rin ng coach of BFP na ang gitna ng Judiciary ang butas. So, you know, for 2 points already, nakuha nila sa gitna.
And exactly the formation. You take a look at the Judiciary right now, although Pesebre is there to cover it up. Set up that time by Alcancia. Chased down and heaved over by Bukhaya. Down the middle with Pesebre. Kept in play by Kainglet rather. Nice on 2. Not much of a connection. Long rally again. Short on Yabut's try.
You know, yung blockers ng BFP, it also creates parang takot para sa Judiciary when you go up for the hit. Kasi isipin mo, naku, ibablock ba ako nito? Or hindi? So magsa-second guess ka kung ikaw yung attacker.
That's a good point. 6-3. Service ace. Yuboko will come in for Alcancia.
Sabi ni Alcancia, mas okay ko na sa labas ako, nakikita ko kung ano yung nangyayari sa loob.
Proferosa. Pesebre, who never hardly... that's double contact.
Yeah. Mababa din yung kuha niya ng bola.
And the spin of the ball, of course, is the telling factor. 6-4 count. Judiciary with the serve. Pesebre does so. Kainglet pursues. Short. Sumalinog missed the target. Judiciary comes within 1.
Ganda ng ginagawa ng Judiciary because they're causing trouble sa BFP. Pinapagulo nila yung defense
That's
ng
a good
BFP.
point, yeah. Serve in play. Oh! And it's a service ace, and we're tied at 6.
Here you go. Judiciary's on a roll now.
Pesebre serve red hot. Nicely dug over by Kainglet. Tubog short. And the BFP back in the lead.
You know, you could see, no, si Yuboko tsaka si Tubog, nag-uusap lang silang dalawa. And Yuboko encouraging Tubog.
Oh, parang,
okay lang yan.
There's a part also that you're trying too hard. It's part of gigil and everything also. Ooh, that could have sailed out, but they committed to it. Tubog, nicely done. Kainglet running set. Does not work. Does not result in an attack. Pesebre whips it in. Marcaida is there. Oh, good defense at the back row that time by Mendoza Villapando, who, however, ends up sprawled on the floor. BFP by 2.
You know, that was possible. That point was possible because of Kainglet. Look at how she covered that spot.
Exactly. Ira Pablo has a report.
Dada Yuboko is an import turned regular employee para dito sa Judiciary. So she used to work in a membership grocery until hinikayat siya ng kanyang mga teammates na sumali at pumasok dito sa Supreme Court. So right now, she is already employed as a government employee and she enjoys the benefits nga daw of a regular employee. So she works under the Records Division and it's also good for the Justice Servers because it opens up another slot for an import. So mas makakapagpalakas pa itong Team Judiciary for the next UVL season. Balik sa inyo.
Record section. Dami-daming kaso.
Oo.
Daming ililista kasi dulo ng lahat, siyempre, Supreme Court.
Oh, ngayon alam na natin sino pwedeng tumulong.
Set up. A Pesebre, solid. Down the middle. It stays up.
Good cover.
Tubog, check the horizon before tapping it over. Not hit cleanly. Sinampaw! Down the middle between two players. Magpantay. And Jun Marie Marcaida undecided as to who would take it.
Yeah, again, no, yung mga long balls, yan yung mga will make the end hitters or yung mga back row hit players, second guess, inside ba to o outside?
Yeah.
Kaya dapat talaga sinusundan yung bola.
Down the middle. Yes, well done.
Mamangonin Kainglet. Good chemistry there. Ang ganda ng kanilang communication.
Here's Mamangon with the serve. Anjanette serve in play. Nicely done. Tubog hits the ground.
Si Yuboko hindi nawala ng confidence kay Tubog.
I agree, yeah.
Feeds her pa rin and sure enough, right? Andyan pa rin. Tubog was able to deliver.
Still close and tight. Judiciary down by 2, but with the serve, 8-10. Chance to attack here. Tap.
Nice.
Oh! Mishit, but they'll take it.
I don't know if that was planned or by chance, but you know, mukhang planado kasi nakabukas yung kamay tapos separated
but
yung mga fingers.
It sounded like na mishit 9-10 is the tally here. Close to the net. Kainglet adjust. Net touch.
Yeah.
Net touch. I agree.
There goes. Sino bang nag-net dyan?
Ako si Madulugdog. Siya yung... Gumagalaw yung net. Solid serve. Kainglet. Madulugdog. Ang diin, oh. Ang diin. Tumama naman si Tubog ngayon.
Tingnan natin yung net naman dito. There's Madulugdog.
Ayun, oh.
Ayun.
Even
the arm.
Oh, walang aamin yan.
Hindi ako. Wala. Diba?
Nowadays pala yung buhok hindi counted.
Oo.
Hindi na counted as net touch. Fairly so. Ganda ng palo, but Pesebre wise to it. Pesebre attacks from the back row.
Nice set.
Proferosa with the dig. Boras did not make a clean contact. Drop. Boras keeps it high. Push by Kainglet. Oh!
Wow!
Patong na patong. Proferosa.
Ang ganda ng palo ni Proferosa. Para naman ang ganda ng setup ni Kainglet. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Almost on the attack line.
Yung sabi ng coaches, patong na patong. 12-10 ang ating bilang. We have a timeout. Let's try to tune in.
Sa blocking, match yan.
Ganun yung mga set ni Bravo. Sobrang luwag, sobrang...
Pag tayo binigyan ng set ng bola, kung hindi kayang paluin ng malakas, kahit sa likuran natin, ibato yung bola para mahirapan sila magbigay sa setter at wala silang maipalong maganda. Ha? Kapitan natin, ha? Siglahan pa natin. Okay? Iwas tayo sa error, ha? Atin to. Kunin natin to. Kapit lang. Ingay. Kailangan natin mag-ingay sa loob.
Dalawa lang, ha? Nakaikot tayo
para maka-ano tayo. Justice! Server!
Alam mo, kahit walang coach, okay itong spirit itong team na to.
Oo.
Wala yung coach nilang si Coach Dino ba yun? Wala here today.
Yes. Si Coach Dino nga. Oo nga alam mo ang main instruction of Coach Alcanza is, okay, kung hindi natin mapasok agad yung mapalo ng maganda, kailangan long ball dun sa likod para mahirapan ibigay sa center.
Totoo yan. Yun ang rational nun.
Oo. Oh, good pancake!
Buhay pa. Oh! Aray ko. Ang irony ng buhay nga naman.
Oh, wow!
Watch this.
That's pancake, a good pancake.
Magpantay and keeps it in play. And then Boras at the last moment decides it was going out. But she was in the way.
Again, you have to be committed dun sa tira mo.
Proferosa with some big shots here. But she was just half a foot away from being able to execute a clean pancake there.
Alam mo, ito yung ginagawa ni Lerma ngayon. Kasi alam niya, yung mga strong hits niya, nagninet o kaya outside. So, hinuhulog-hulog na lang niya sa mga lugar na alam niyang butas.
Yes. BFP trying to seal the deal here, taking the first two sets by identical counts, 25-22, 25-22. Madulugdog with some heat.
Yeah, because kakapasok lang ni Tubog sa posisyon, she served. So, hingal ka pa. Kakatakbo mo lang to position. That's why she wasn't able to get that ball with two arms.
3-point lead here in the third set by the Bureau of Fire Protection. Good shot by Pesebre.
Yes. Kita mo na dun sa approach pa lang niya at pagtira, alam mong she's gonna get the point for her team. There's that hit. Challenge pa niya si Magpantay, the libero of BFP.
Boras on her serve. Kainglet. Madulugdog, and it's touched last by Yuboko on the way out.
Kainglet is doing a good job as a setter because ang bibilis ng mga bola na dumadating sa kanya and she's able to control them and give them to good spots para sa kanyang attackers.
Good observation. She slows down the process so there's time for an attack. Madulugdog. Boras. Pesebre. Yes!
Ang zone 1 talaga kilala yan as the zone na laging naiiwanan. Kasi lahat pumapasok sa gitna
Wala naman pwede, hindi naman pwede. Kasi pag nilagay mo ng tao doon, bubutas ka naman sa loob.
Bubutas, correct.
Kainglet. Boras, reverse set. Pesebre. Madulugdog making do. Yabut had a hand on it. Yabut attacks. Madulugdog, Kainglet. Down the middle we go. Boras keeps it alive. Here comes Pesebre. Back row. In play. Kainglet still. Short! But Rafarosa.
You know, some people will say, oh, we can afford pa to make the mistake kasi kanina 15-13. Pero ngayon, 15-14. You cannot really afford to make those mistakes.
Like that.
Like that.
16, serving against 14. Ira, go.
Ko kanina si Coach Franz Bautista and she feels like everything fell into place para dito sa BFP. During the time na puro talo itong BFP back in MUP, nagpapagaling ng disc protrusion injury itong si Coach Franz Bautista. So when she got the assignment that she will be coaching para dito sa BFP, para sa kanya it's already second nature dahil nagtapos sa kursong education itong si Coach Franz and she was really a teacher bago siya pumasok dito sa BFP. Along with the rest of the coaching staff of BFP, lahat sila teachers by profession. So para sa kanila, it's already innate in them para i-lead at i-motivate itong BFP team. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you very much, Ira Pablo. In the meantime, this serve too long. It will make it 17-16. Still in favor of the BFP.
Alam mo, magaling yun no? Pag yung coach mo, teacher, yun talagang knows how to communicate. Kasi pagka ganon, napapagaling mo yung yung player.
Saka yung teaching comes, yung process, alam mo yung relationship teacher-student. Samantala, bumalik sa court si Abellana. Naninigurado si Coach Bautista. Kailangan niya ng opensa rito. Yabut serve in play. Down the middle we go. Yes! Yes!
Si Mamangon is on a roll para sa BFP. Pag siya nasa gitna, nasa harap, nako, you could be assured na she will be fed that ball more often.
She is the leading scorer for the BFP with 9 points. Based on 8 attacks and 1 service ace. Boras. Lermatubog. Kainglet. Well done. Oh, an elbow does the job for Yabut. Mendoza. And that is hit long.
You know, medyo nagkagulo ang defense, floor defense ng BFP. Pero because they know each other very well, nasasalo nila yung mistakes ng kakampi nila.
Nako-cover up, ano?
Oo eh.
19-16 tally here. Anjanette Mamangon with the serve. Yes, you thought so. Yuboko would do that, but she was off, not in position, and that went out. 4-point lead by the BFP. Judiciary calls a timeout.
Apat lang yun, no? 1-25 yan, wala na nanalo sa 20. Huwag tayong bumitaw. Bumitaw tayo agad eh. Labanan natin. Konting tapang. Dikit mo ng konti. Pag malayo sa kanya, may ilalim sa bola. Service natin, wag sasayangin na. Depensa lang. Depensa lang tayo. Receive. Tara, let's go. Laban tayo, laban Kapit tayo. Justice! Service! Kapit tayo. Jennifer,
Medyo tahimik nga kasi ngayon ang justice servers eh. Kailangan mag-ingay sila inside the court.
Ang hirap mag-ingay pag down ka sa 2 sets tapos 2016. Pero eto si Vergel, papalitan si Abot sa hilera ng judiciary.
Si Vergel, magaling siya sa floor defense.
Maybe that's what they need right now. Let's see what happens here with the BFP threatening to win in straight sets here and gunning for win number 7 in a row. Oh, service ace.
You know, that was low and that was a fastball.
Mendoza Villapando was not primed to take that. It's now 21-16. That hurts coming off a timeout, really.
Yes.
Castillo. Kainglet. Madiin talaga bumaon si Madulugdog.
Oh.
Boras rejected. Yuboko makes it a set. Recycled offense. That will not cross.
Yeah. So Malinog was just a tad late in her approach.
21-17 ang ating official score. Yuboko with a loaded serve. Madulugdog brushes it against Tubog.
Oh, nakita niya yung blocker, si Tubog was there, but easily she just wiped it off the blocker's hands.
To make it a 5-point lead at this critical, crucial stage of the match in the third set, given that the BFP has a 2-set lead. Boras, magpantay. Oh, well done. Well done.
Yeah, that was a perfect set for Proferosa. I mean, look at that.
Proferosa started here today and she has been tireless. She has produced 8 points.
Alam mo, ang ganda ng wrist action ni Proferosa eh.
And she gets good height.
Ang dapat sa kanya malapit sa net. That's when she's able to get those hits really sharp and strong.
So Malino and her serve. Hebre almost bungling that. Got it safely to a teammate. Madulugdog, too long. Oh, check ball. Check ball. Ang tawag.
Look at that. The way that they celebrate that point. Madulugdog is such a character on the floor. There goes that hit. And because merong check, ayan.
And we are at match point.
Good coverage.
Yeah, Madulugdog with one hand on it. Boras makes do. Kainglet. Proferosa can't get into attack mode. Becomes a set. Tubog. Proferosa, long.
This time long. Kita mo, if the ball is a little far from the net, Proferosa, nag-e-error siya. But when it's near the net, yun yung perfect for her.
Yes. Madulugdog tries to end it. Presebre. One more time around the block. Yes.
Nicely done by Pesebre. Lihis dun sa palo niya.
24-19, one match point save. Madulugdog. It won't end. That is inside. And 2 match points saved.
And that's what you want, no? Kung ikaw si Mitch Alcancia, humahabol yung team mo after the timeout, kumakapit.
And let's listen to the BFP.
Huwag tayo magpahabula, kayang-kaya yan. Receive ng maayos, Jai, ikaw nang bahala. Pag nabigyan ng maayos na set, pwede hampasin na natin. Ha? Receive muna tayo ng
Pag bumalik ang bola, review ulit.
Laging mag-adjust sa balik ng bola. Guys, ha?
Last one na, last one. Oh, play to daw. Play to.
May first ball naman kayo eh.
Again, no, ang ingay ng BFP. Kaya alam mong wala silang problema. Maingay sila eh.
Oo, gusto na umuwi niyan.
And I think the last hit would be given to Praferosa. Tingnan natin kung mararun nila yung play na yon.
Tubog. 1, 2. Hindi clean. One more time around the block. And that'll do it. Abellana closes the deal and puts her signature on it.
Yeah, you know, the BFP, they played very confidently. They knew how to cover. They knew the coverage pattern, defensive pattern. They watched the net. They watched the attackers of the judiciary. And they were able to just run the play smoothly. Although close, no? Kasi talaga namang china-challenge sila ng judiciary. Gusto rin manalo ng judiciary, but nag-stick sila sa system nila. And that's what brought them through.
Okay, so 25-20 is the score in the third. Our best player, sino ba?
Of course, si Mamangon.